Hello and welcome back to It's New. Greg couldn't make it for some reason, but I got up at like 3:45 a.m. to be here for you guys, despite what Greg's doing right now.
Honestly.
Care about you guys.
Isn't Greg feeding the homeless right now?
Is he?
Homeless? Who cares? What about our YouTube subscribers? They matter. Forget the homeless. You guys matter. The guys watching this show matter. Anyway, I probably won't be here tomorrow, so I apologize. All right, Mordy, what are you covering?
Yeah, yet another reason why Google's comm strategy is basically a car on fire on the side of the road.
I'm covering Google search ranking volatility from Saturday, and then AIO reviews showing site names and fave icons. Anu, what do you got for us?
We've got Google giving us a new way of testing broad match.
Yada, 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 whenever you're ready, Mordy.
All right, so this is from Liz Reid. This was an interview that was conducted a while ago. It was like a couple, like at I.O. a few weeks, a day after I.O., whatever it was. It was conducted a few weeks ago. Adegbola,
and did a good report. A little bit slower. We'll be better.
Yeah, reported on this also on Search Engine Land. The quotes that Barry pulled out here in SEO Roundtable. I'll try to summarize it in a minute. SEO is good. It's not good to manipulate the web. It's always good to optimize things. No, we have no idea what we're doing with ads. No, we have no idea about any other form of revenue stream outside of ads. I sort of contrast this what when we heard from the guy last week, Fox, whatever, and Sundar. Like they've sat down with the comms team and they have their lines at 45%. The web is thriving. She clearly was not invited to that meeting.
That's interesting. Interesting part. I didn't think about the specific numbers they gave. You're right. And this is all the same time. Even though these interviews came out different times, it's all the same day. It's like all at I.O. where these interviews were given. They just like released them later for some reason. They should have all the same exact material.
Yeah. They're bonkers. I don't know. Google is just off the rails. It's amazing to watch.
Yeah. Talking about being off the rails, their ranking volatility is off the rails.
You're really a car on fire today.
Yeah. And their logo is on fire. But over on Saturday, it seemed like a very significant ranking volatility shift has happened. A lot of the tools noticed it. There's a lot of chatter about this. I would disregard the comments on the Search Engine Roundtable because there's a lot of nasty stuff that I really haven't had time to go through yet. And I will go ahead and remove it at some point, I guess. I don't know. I have to look through it. But there's a lot of ranking volatility. And if you saw some significant changes over the weekend, you are definitely not alone. But if you're getting lots of impressions and even more clicks now, that's because AIO Reviews is testing a new feature where they're actually putting either the site name and or the site name with the fave icon directly in the AI overview, which will generate more eyeballs, more clicks, but not as many clicks as just a normal feature snippet. But it will generate more. I like this test. This is spotted by Sachin Patel. Also, Brody Clark had a screenshot there afterwards. I'll include some screenshots of it so you can see it, but it's pretty cool to see Google testing more visible links in the actual AI overviews. Talking about testing, I think Google Ads is doing some tests.
Yes. So yeah, this is a long-going, I'd say, campaign for Google trying to get us all ads to just use broad match, use PMAX, and yeah, just leave the rest to them. And so now Google is now letting you A/B test broad match keywords within a single smart bidding campaign, not just any kind of campaign. It has to be running within a smart bidding campaign that would now eliminate the need for a duplicated campaign. So under experiments, you'll be able to find this for those who will have it under experiments in your Google Ads account, and from the recommendation tabs, you want to choose apply as an experiment on a relevant suggestion. So yeah, I think it's one of those, the autumn recommendations, new autumn recommendations in terms of testing within whatchamacallit, a single campaign. So yeah, advertisers like Hannah Kobzova, who's the founder of like PPC Newsfeed, who gives us lots of up-to-date PPC updates that come out. She spotted it and says that this streamlines testing and removes all the major frictions for PPC managers. So yeah, hopefully for those who like smart bidding and want to test broad match, here's your simple way of doing it.
Yeah, and that PPC newsfeed, Hannah is really great. She really finds a nice amount of stuff. So
yeah,
keep up the good work, Hannah. And if we're not here tomorrow, Google Search Console just launched while we're on the show here, recording the show. Google Search Console Insights renewed in the actual Search Console report, as opposed to going to a separate report for it. And there's a bunch of new reports in there. So you might want to take a look at that. It's not fully rolled out to everybody, but you might see it in some of the properties that you own. That being said,
we're comments on your
Sorry?
post. Can we talk about the comments on your post?
I
Yeah.
haven't looked at them yet, but you can if you want.
What kind of sewer is the comment section of your website?
I don't know, it was so calm. It was so calm the past couple months, and then I don't know what happened over the past like few days. It's been insane.
Oh, I don't know how you deal with this.
I'll have to go through it later. I don't care if they like troll on Google or whatever, but when they start fighting with each other like children, it's just it causes issues.
Like nasty names. Like, I mean, it's almost like funny.
It's I don't mind. Again, I'm like, instead of making fun of each other, go after me. I don't care. I find it fine, but they like to go after each other, and I have to like clean it up because it makes no contextual relevance to the actual story itself. So,
SEO
whatever.
janitor or
and then if I remove something, they're like, I'm censoring stuff. I'm like, this is not censorship. You guys are acting like babies. And you're just
It's censoring free speech.
it's bad. It's like Reddit level bad.
Oh
It's worse. I
god.
think it's like YouTube level. No offense to you guys. You guys are
No,
good
not
YouTube
no.
subscribers.
Don't disparage the audience we're talking to.
In there, right?
The audience we're not currently talking to.
Not usually. You heard like the worst comments are YouTube, then Reddit, but our comments are pretty good actually because nobody.
Yeah,
really
we have some very
watches
good
it.
comments.
So
Our comments are awesome. They're funny.
yeah,
Yeah,
they actually
we love
are
it.
pretty funny.
Yeah.
All right. So check out that report, and hopefully we'll be back tomorrow. If somebody else, if Greg's around, then he could run it. Otherwise, we'll be back on Wednesday. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.